the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. This is our futon that just came to help with our mid-century vibe in the room upstairs that we just got done doing. It weighs 60 pounds. So I'm going to open the box up in the garage. In the description there will be a link for the product if you're interested in buying it. So this is kind of a how-to demo on getting it open up and set up. We're going to start in the garage because it's heavy and I don't want to carry this thing up the steps. If I can carry it up in pieces, that'd be the preferred way to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and start opening it up. Well, pieces, parts right there. There we go. Whoa. So we got these pieces we can carry up individually. This is hardware. Looks like the legs, pillows. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the main piece that we're going to take upstairs. Ready? Okay. All right, looks like we gotta put legs on first. Let me see that. Thanks. Simple. Now, screw in a washer. Time to flip it.
Mm-hmm.
When it starts coming down, I'm gonna lift this end up, okay?
Yeah. Oh boy. So then this can just so that's how you do it then.
Okay.
Far away, like sitting.
And there's no more parts?
Just the two arms gotta like
slide on.
Yeah. Guess it just slides down. Wait, one goes one way and one goes the other. I don't know.
Well, it looks like.
I think we got them backwards.
Why?
Because if you put this in, it sticks way out on the front.
Oh, I see.
I think we have the wrong.
So let's switch. They're meant to come on and off fairly easy.
Does it just push down?
Yeah. You want to move it back?
I don't know if that one's down all the way. That, because I can like, okay. To be honest, I probably wouldn't even.
So you don't want to have to move it back and forth.
Right, but I don't even know if I came in here at night to like crash out.
If you need to open it up.
Exactly. It's long enough for me. It's not long enough for you. I mean, you could sort of lay on it, but
We actually got this from Amazon. It was a couple $100.
300.
300. And we are starting to think that maybe it was returned because there's a spot
Just a few little
over here,
fingerprints.
and there's fingerprints, and there's a hole in the back. Looks like
But
someone's
nothing
finger.
that's wrong. Right here, it's like got crud on it.
Yep.
But it's nothing that's a big in a spare bedroom.
Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out. I'm going to give this piece of furniture a 7 out of the box.
Oh, it's so nice and hard. It's actually comfy to sit on.